Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and today I'm going to go over our three types of wood frames and plastic foundations. The first one I'm going to go over is what we call our economy frame, permanent. It's a little bit thinner plastic, but it's great for people looking to save a little money on their foundation. It'll work great extracting. We have it in both black and yellow. Our premium grade is our Rite-Cell, and again, Rite-Cell will come in yellow and black. This is a deeper cell, and the bees will draw this out a little bit quicker than that one. And the last one we have is the same foundation, Rite-Cell, but it's almost triple the amount of wax coating on that the other two have. And that really entices the bees to draw these out. The Rite-Cell will last for years and years. The permanent will last for a few years as well. It's probably not quite as durable, but both of them are great options. It depends on your budget.